Hello everyone and welcome back to Math Olympiad problem solving series. Now today we are going to solve a very fine Olympiad problem. So let's see the problem. Here we have to find the real value of x, and what is the equation? Fourth root of 97 minus x plus fourth root of x is equals to how much? 5. Okay, so since it is fourth root, so it will be a little bit different if we go in a normal way to solve it. So before going to start the actual solution, so let us suppose that fourth root of 97 minus x is equals to some number a, and then in the same way fourth root of x is equals to how much? B. Now if you take fourth power on both sides, then what will happen? 97 minus x will be equal to a to the power 4, and here if we take the fourth root, then x will be equals to how much? B to the power 4. So therefore a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 will be equal to how much? A to the power 4 means 97 minus x, and our b to the power 4 is x. So x will be cancelled out. What we will get? 97. Okay, now it looks a little bit simple. A to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 equals to how much? 97. And try to remember, we have to find the value of x, but here you see x cancel out. So from this particular relation we'll get some different value. Now this a to the power 4 we can write a square whole square, and b to the power 4 we can write b square whole square is equals to how much? 97. So you know that the formula for a square plus b square is equals to how much? A plus b whole square minus twice ab. Okay, so this implies here a is a square and b is what? B square. So this one we can write a square plus b square whole square minus 2 into ab. Our a is a square, b is b square. On the right hand side we have 97. This implies, now this a square plus b square, using this particular formula we can elaborate it further. So it will be a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Okay, minus twice ab, then whole square minus 2a square b square is equals to how much? 97. Now our a plus b is equals to how much? You see, a plus b is equals to, okay, from here you can write a plus b. Okay, so if we put this a and b in this particular equation, I'm talking about this one, you see this value we have taken as a, right? A, and then fourth root of x we have taken b. So a plus b equals to how much? 5. So this is one equation. So in place of a plus b, what we can write? We can write 5 squared. A plus b is our 5 squared minus 2ab, so that we don't know, whole square minus 2a square b square is equals to how much? 97. So this is our 25 minus twice ab whole square, then minus 2a square b square is equals to 97. Now if we break down the square, then 25 square is 625 minus 2ab, so it will be our 100ab, then plus b square 4a square b square. So already we have minus 2a square b square is equals to how much? 97. Now if we calculate it, 4a square b square minus 2a square b square, so we will get 2a square b square, then minus 100ab, and then 625. So 97 minus 625, it will be our minus 528. So you can divide both sides by 2. So we'll get a square b square minus 50ab is equals to how much? Minus 264 after dividing both sides by 2. This implies, now this a square b square we can write ab whole square, 50ab we can write 2 into ab into 25. So this is of the form a square minus twice ab. So we need one b square. means 25 square. So since 25 square is an extra term, so the same term we have to give on the right hand side, minus 264. So it's 625 minus 264. So if you calculate it, you will get 361. So on the left hand side, this is of the form a square minus twice ab plus b square. So we can write ab minus 25 whole square. On right hand side, we have 361, which is nothing but 19 square. So ab minus 25 is equals to how much? 19, right? So it will be plus minus 19. So if you consider the plus sign, then we'll get plus 19. And if we consider the minus sign, we will get minus 19. So this implies AB is equals to 25 plus 19 is how much? 44. And from here, it will be 25 minus 19, how much? 6. So we have two possibilities. One is AB equals to 44. Another one is AB equals to 6. But you see, A plus B is equals to 5. Okay. A plus B equals to 5. So their product cannot be 44. Product cannot be 44. So this is not possible, because if you take the value of AB as 44, then this particular equation will not satisfy. The initial equation, this equation will not satisfy. So we have this value only. AB equals to how much? AB equals to 6. Okay, AB equals to 6. Now what is the formula for A minus B whole square? We can write A plus B whole square minus 4AB. So our A plus B is 5 square, minus then 4 into how much? AB. AB is what? 6. See, you can check that 44 is not satisfied in this particular equation also. So in A plus B you write 5 square and 4 into AB is 44. So it will be 25 square minus 4 into 44. So you will get a negative term. And what is the left hand side? Is a perfect square. So square term cannot be negative. So from here also you can understand that 45 we cannot take. So it's 25 minus 24, 1. So this implies our A minus B equals to how much? 1. Okay, A minus B is equals to 1. So initially we have a relation which is A plus B equals to 5. Now we get a relation A minus B equals to how much? 1. So if we add these two equations, what we will get? Twice A is equals to 6. So from there A equals to how much? 3. So do you remember what is A at the beginning? You see, A is 4th root of 97 minus x. So this implies A to the power 4 is equals to 3 to the power 4 is 81. We have taken A to the power 4 as 97 minus x is equals to 81. So x equals to how much? 60. So this is the value. Okay, the x equals to how much? 16. If you subtract it, then you will get b. And in the same way, if you calculate, suppose if you subtract it, no, then you will get minus twice b equals to minus 4. This implies b equals to 2. B to the power 4 is equals to how much? 16. And at the beginning, b to the power 4 is x. So x equals to how much? 16. Okay. So the problem is very interesting. But this is not the only way that you can solve this, but this is the easiest way so that every standard students can understand it. Okay. So that's why I have chosen this particular method. You can solve this particular method problem in some other way also. Thank you for watching up till this much. So kindly subscribe and share with your friends, so that we can get the notification of all upcoming Math Olympiad problems. Thank you once again for watching.